Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Scott Middick. I'm CEO of TrustedID. TrustedID is a company that helps hundreds of thousands of consumers across the U.S. protect themselves from identity theft today. And what's really important to understand about it is that we are offering proactive identity protection. And by this I mean we are helping consumers stop identity theft before it actually happens to them. Now this is in sharp contrast to what 20 to 30 million Americans are buying today, which is credit monitoring, a service sold by many financial institutions as well as the 3 credit bureaus, which in essence really just notify a consumer after their identity has already been stolen. The analogy here is an alarm system which alerts you to the thief who's already in your home versus a lock which you can put on your front door. So TrustedID is that lock. We're helping consumers stop the thief from actually getting in and using their identities. Today, we're excited to make a couple of announcements. We have launched a new version of our flagship service, IDFreeze, just yesterday, actually. This service is unique for a number of reasons. First, we have now over a dozen different ways that we are helping consumers protect their identities proactively. And this is not only twice what we had last week, but twice what every other competitor in the marketplace has today. Secondly, yesterday we announced the first true family package of identity protection. And this means that a family with an unlimited number of adults and an unlimited number of children living at the same residence can purchase and protect themselves with one pricing program. And as you see here, that's $15.83 for an annual commitment to our service. We also offer an individual plan, and that works out to roughly $100 per year. So how is all this protection taking place? Well, let me give you highlights of some of what we're doing for our customers. On the right-hand side here, you can see we're looking at your social security number, bank account numbers, credit and debit card numbers, and we're monitoring all this information. We have a database of about 2.5 million compromised credit card numbers, social security numbers, and checking account numbers that we're seeing being bought, sold, traded online. We're looking for our customers' data within that information and alerting them instantly when we find it. Down below, under health insurance, we're helping our customers determine if anyone's using their health identities fraudulently. This is a growing problem in the United States that we're very seriously addressing. A little further down, fraud flags, we're helping our customers put fraud alerts or fraud flags on their credit reports at all 3 credit bureaus. This requires a lender to contact our customers before they can issue new credit in their name. A very, very effective way to stop new account origination identity theft. We're also helping customers reduce their junk mail, and with every single subscription, we give our customers the ability to put anti-spyware software on up to 4 computers in their home. This alone is a $20 to $30 value. So all of these services, plus a number of other features I haven't mentioned today, are all bundled into this IDFreeze service. And our IDFreeze software has been built on a platform which is very, very easy for us to rebrand and co-market. This is one example of one of those rebrandings. We recently announced a relationship with Suze Orman, which was a co-branded, or actually in this case, private labeled version of our IDFreeze service. This actually sold on QVC at the beginning of this year. More than 100,000 of these boxes were sold in a single day, all giving consumers strong identity protection. And that protection, as you see, that co-branding or private labeling flows right through the service. And so here's an example similar to what you just saw a minute ago in our own version. Now you see it under Suze's brand as well, with many of those same feature protections. And also this is Suze live and in video, who's not cooperating. So all of this is combined into IDFreeze, and we're excited to have you all try it. If you want to enter the promotional code Finovate on our website at TrustedID.com, we qualify for a 25% savings. And I look forward to talking to you later this afternoon. Thank you.